Hi, my name is Michael Kurtz, and I'm going to talk to you about Lunsford's Chapter 21 and Graph 4 and 5. Uh, the way it starts off, I read Lunsford first, so the first part's going to be about that. When you do research, you don't just patch together ideas from the various resources that you've looked at, consulted, or perhaps read by. Instead, you should collaborate or synthesize all your ideas and everything that you've read to help get a better understanding uh, and about the topic you're researching. Questions that could help you synthesize your information. You can ask, what central ideas do your sources address? It could be like, oh, the endangered animals, the tigers are about extinct and we need to worry about preserving their species. Um, what do they have in common? You can, how should I word this? What do they have in common with other things? Animals are going extinct much quicker because of the changes in the environment due to human population increase. Uh, you can put that since humans are increasing in population, it's taking more of the wildlife away from the tigers. Uh, Also, how many ideas are presented? It could be multiple sources. Why is this happening? And then it'll come up to this. So then why is that happening? And there's more ideas on behind that. Uh, when you've taken the information that you've collected, you want to weave it into like your own ideas, like your own like resource. Like you can be you're that resource. You collaborate all your ideas together to come up with your idea. And there's questions you can do that from the information you found. How does this information address your topic? Do they support my thesis? What viewpoints do I agree or disagree with? Um, and then going to the chapter 4 and 5, uh, it's about pretty much ways to write essays with agreeing, disagreeing, or both, and templates on how to do that. He or she was mistaken, like things like that. It's pretty straightforward with the information it gives you. But there are a couple things I took from it and really enjoyed learning about this part so I can further plan ahead for my essays. Uh, Essay writing can be different due to the many reasons why disagreeing and agreeing or doing both can be easy, difficult, or extremely hard. But by far, one of the easiest essays to write are disagreements because. Oh, wait, I'm going to take that back. Although it can be easy, the hard part about it is trying to be persuasive with your viewpoint because you don't know how your audience is going to act towards it. Essays that you choose to agree on are they're less simple than you may think. You need to avoid contradicting views that you disagree with and do more than echo the views that you have read. One of the many ways you can go about doing this is furthering or broadening your resources. Like let's go with sports. Stats wise, they look at everything: yards gained per game or points scored per game. Pass and completions. Let's say you pass the ball 4 times out of 12 times. You have that difference. So a lot of different things you can go about that. Let's say, oh, this person's the best quarterback in the NFL for these specific reasons. He's a he has multiple records that he holds. He's like the all-time passer in a season and career. That's the way I think about it, and it's much easier for me. I don't know about you, so you can find a way to do that to help yourself out, like coordinating all the information that you're reading about these specific people or information sources and deriving it into one speculative or leaving it open for disagreement and or agreement or going with both. Yes, I do agree that he's not the best in this area, but overall, he's the best quarterback. You see, uh, I thank you for your time and have fun.